Hi friends, welcome to Sitara. So today we are going to learn the important vocabulary of chapter 2 of Ancient India NCERT book. This will help you in the preparation of your UPSC exam and other exams also. So let's start. Our first word is epic, which means a long story about heroic events. Next, colonial administration, which means system of rule by a foreign power. Next, culminate, which means to reach an end or result. Next, rendered, which means made or caused. Next, aroused, which means created strong feelings. Next, missionary, which means person spreading religion. Next, vulnerable, which means easily harmed. Next, chronology, which means arrangement of events by time. Next, accustomed, which means used to something. Next, despotic, which means having absolute power. Next, engross, which means absorb full attention. Next, vicious, which means cruel or violent. Next, primacy, which means first importance. Next, pro imperialist, which means supporting empire rule. Next, invasion, which means forceful entry of army. Next, autocracy, which means rule by one person. Next, substantially, which means to a large extent. Next, denigrate, which means to criticize unfairly. Next, perpetuation, which means continuation over time. Next, irked, which means annoyed. Next, distortion, which means misrepresentation of facts. Next, feudal, which means land based power system. Next, tract, which means large area of land. Next, castigate, which means strongly criticize. Next, encyclopedia, which means book of collected knowledge. Next, epigraphist, which means expert in inscriptions. Next, impeccable, which means without mistake. Next, prolific, which means producing a lot. Next, terse, which means brief and direct. Next, lucid, which means clear and easy to understand. Next, dynastic, which means related to ruling family. Next, indigenous, which means native to a place. Next, exploit, which means use unfairly. Next, heterodox, which means different from traditional belief. Next, prejudice, which means prejudged opinion. Next, stratification, which means division into social layers. Next, stagnation, which means lack of progress. Next, exotic, which means foreign and unusual. Next, sophisticate, which means highly developed or refined. Thank you for learning.